Hey guys, we're standing here at ER006, the American Dream, the new 11-bedroom oceanfront Pine Island Reserve. Just wanted to do a construction update today, June 2nd, to show you where we're going, where we're at. Let's take a look. Alright, so we're standing on level 1. We got 3 master bedrooms on this floor. We got the kids' cave right here with the interactive dance floor. We got a theater room just around the corner. We got this lovely little kitchen area and terrace room. So yeah, take a look. Right now they're working on the level 2 sunset deck, also the entryway. Alright, so we're on the level 2 now. We got 6 master bedrooms in this floor. This is the ocean front facing bar. The windows are taped up a little bit so you can't get the good view right now, but you can definitely get a great panoramic view of the ocean from here. Alright, so here's a really cool feature of the American Dream. You can just look up above right here. We got a sealed deck. So it actually overhangs a little bit, so if it rains, none of the rain's going to come down and get on your stuff. So you can relax here, watch a nice thunderstorm over the ocean, have a great time. Alright, so now we're on level 3. This is the main seating area and the kitchen area. We also have 2 master bedrooms. Some great views from up here as well. So take a look. Alright, and this is the gorgeous view from the level 3 deck.